Attenuation coefficient. Here attenuation means loss of the power, loss of the strength, that is known as the attenuation. Here attenuation coefficient means when the light travels in a material, there will be always be a loss of intensity that obeys the laws of Lambert's law. Here when the loss of intensity is comes, there will be obeys the Lambert's law. Here Lambert's law is state that the rate of decreases of intensity of the light will distance traveled in a homogeneous medium is proportional to initial intensity. Here Lambert's law said that the rate of decreases of intensity of the light, the rate of decreases intensity of the light that with the distance, here distance is taken by the small capital L, then is a homogeneous medium. When the intensity is decreases, when that in the homogeneous medium is proportional to initial intensity. So that if P is an initial intensity and L is a distance travelled, then we get minus dP by dL is proportional to P. That is equation number 1. The proportionally constant that is given by the alpha, minus dP by dL is equal to alpha into P, where the negative sign indicates the rate of decreases of the light. Then here alpha, that is the attenuation coefficient. Consider the optical fiber of the length L. If P in is the initial intensity and P out is the P out is the out, then we have dP by P is equal to minus L minus alpha into L, that is equation number 2. Here arranging the equation, we get dP by P, take here, then minus alpha into dl, take the another side. Then next, by integrating that equation, we get, just we integrate that equation, P in to P out, dP by P is equal to minus alpha 0 to L into dl. Then just we integrate this equation, dP by P, that comes log P into P out is equal to minus L minus alpha into L 0 to L. Then log as it is, put the integration, P out divided by P in is equal to minus alpha into L. Then rearranging this term, we get alpha is equal to minus 1 by L log P out by P in, that is equation number 3. The equation 3 we can written as alpha is equal to minus 1 by L log 10 P out by P in, bell per unit length. We know that 1 bell is equal to 10 decibel. So the above equation becomes alpha is equal to minus 10 by L log 10 P out divided by P in dB per kilometer. P in and P out are the expressed in watt.